This should give you a glimpse of what I'm trying to accomplish. Now, obviously, this isn't done. This is just a very small percentage. I still have the spindle to do. I still have the Y or X. I forget which it is all the time. Um, but, you know, this is where I'm at now with what you're going to see in a minute. I've planed off this. I'm going to be bolting this down to the bed. I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to tilt the bed. I might mount the bed at an angle, which will allow the chips to fall down. I'm not entirely sure yet, though, but we'll cross that path when it comes. Anyway, I just wanted to go give you guys a glimpse of where I'm at. All right, I took down the V. So now, basically, this thing should be planed flat. So, the next stage of this will be this. Now, this is a bit of an overkill. I agree. This is 1 inch thick plate steel. But I really do want to make sure there's no deflection in this whatsoever. When this thing is cutting, I want to make sure everything that I have done is basically right. So, still being a mini lathe, I do believe the weakest spot on this is still going to be the head, the spindle bearings, which I have upgraded, but again, they're not like my other lathe over there where they're, 4-inch diameter bearings. It's a mini lathe. There's only so much you can do with these things. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys what I was up to. This is basically stage 1. Now I'm going to go through and I'm going to bolt this plate down to the bed of the lathe. The open spot here is basically for the spindle. But I got to get the height just right, and I'm not going to know what that is until I finish this and I finish the cross slide. And this is the ball screw. Now you could already see that sits up a lot higher, so we're going to have to make some adjustments. Probably put some pads like these across to make it even. Anyway, you get the idea. All right, that's what's going on for this weekend. Catch you guys later.